Hello, Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to my YouTube channel. This is Muhammad Ali, and it's day 18 out of 365 days learning English language challenge. Today, I will show you guys my room. As you know that I moved to Saudi Arabia. Almost it has been 3 months, and living abroad is kind of different as compared to just came here as a tourist or on a visit visa. We came here to work and we live in a camp. Living in a camp is different as compared to came here as a tourist or on a visit visa. So we came here to work, and staying in, we are staying and living in a camp. So it's kind of different, and today I will show you guys how it looks like. And it's day 18 out of 365 days learning English language challenge. So let's have a look. We have double beds. One person sleep in the bottom, and the other one sleep on the top. And here are my books. I do journaling whenever I get some time. My camera is not as good as it should be. I do journaling. Here is my book and pen. Yes. Let me show you guys. I read Atomic Habit book. This and actually I am very attached to this book because it was the first book I bought as a hard paper book. So this was the first book I bought in the market, in the bazaar. So we have our book. I have our book, and we have this one. I bought in Saudi Arabia. This one I have one register which I bought in back in Pakistan. I bought this here, and yeah, I just whenever I get some time and I am in mood, I just do journaling. We have almaris, uh, if you can see, uh, each for everyone, and we have another double bed here. We have our what do we call them, glass bottles, everything, stuff to cook things, groceries maybe. What do we call them? We have our bags, one chair. We have our AC, ceiling, Wi-Fi, router. uh, we have a little clean as well. We sit down on it and we eat our breakfast, dinner, lunch, everything. There are suitcase and two suitcase. My suitcase is behind this one. So yeah, this is how it looks like. We have ceiling, and yeah, we have mattress, very good mattress. And yeah, this kind of, like, we have windows, but they are fixed. We can't open them. Maybe I think they are fixed, so we can't open them. We have AC, and yeah, living abroad is not as simple as we used to think. Back in Pakistan, I was like it will be a luxury life, but no, it's different because we have to struggle in order to become something in life, and it belongs to middle class family. Unfortunately, middle class boys, we have to struggle here, earn some money, invest on ourselves, try to make ourselves better, and just try to improve each and every day. And one day, inshallah, hopefully we will reach somewhere which we really deserve. And yeah, we have to change ourselves, we have to change our life. So for this we have to put effort. We can't be like I am going to stay home, I am not going to face troubles, I am not going to struggle, but I hope that one day I will change my life. It doesn't work like this. We have to go outside, face the problems, face the troubles, and struggle, and gradually you will learn lessons. You will work on yourself, and this way you will improve. And yeah, today I was short in time, so I didn't go outside. I decided that I should record a video of my room, and today I show you my room. It's a little room, tiny room, and but it's good, it's enough for us. Thank you so much. If you are watching my video, you can like it, subscribe it, and yeah, inshallah I will upload another video tomorrow. And stay tuned. um, Hit the subscribe button. Thank you.